is Nilesh from Think Market Magazine. I wanted to ask you what made you say, yes, this is the film that I want to do?
Um, it was an instant yes and an easy yes, and the what will be answered when you watch the movie. Very, very obviously. I'm sure you all can already get the feel of it with the trailer. The subject itself is fabulous because it's a wonderful thriller of a story. It speaks about a lot of things on a lot of different levels, very, very relevant, very, very important, very, very meaningful, and it's the absolute language of one's heart. So it was an easy yes, and that coupled with the maker itself and the incredible team, beginning here with, of course, Irfan, as you see, but an incredible team that we have brought on board. So it was it was an immediate wish list. I think when Sanjay and me were sitting together and going through the script, this is the cast that we saw. And when that actually comes true, being thankful is an understatement for for the entire team. So as an actor and as an artist, I was just so grateful that all the actors consented and came on board, because that's just the way we saw it. And yeah, it's been a superlative experience. I think I've answered all the million questions possible today, but yeah.
A big congratulations to the whole team of Jazba. This is Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. Here. Yes. A big congratulations to you. The trailer is very fantastic. My question to you is, Aishwarya ma'am, during your absence, there was a time when a revolution came where many women-centric movies were not only critically successful, but they were very commercial successful also. So what do you want to say about it? And do you think that Jazba also will be the part of that revolution?
Wow. Suddenly he reminds me of an absence. So because, very honestly, I haven't felt it. I haven't felt being absent, though obviously, I mean, going by time and the number of releases that we do have, of course, I wasn't making movies. But a lot of the ladies here will nod, and who've completely experienced what I am wonderfully experiencing right now. We have no concept of time, and we don't realize how time flies by. So being a working mother, I really did not delve into this absence factor, and probably that's why I have not necessarily focused on the comeback term. There's no going away from it, there's no running away from it, and it will forever be the comeback film. So I'm not denying it, but when I turn around and say that I haven't felt it, that's just the way it is. And when you're talking about subjects and movies getting their due, it's always the audience's verdict, and it would be wonderful if the world wouldn't view it as we artists do. That is, we don't really, I think, and I'm daring to speak even on your behalf, Irfan, I mean, you please contribute. But I don't think we get into a movie compartmentalizing it as any kind of centric. You know, I mean, really, the dash centric. Because here we are just coming on board, having a story unfold and being told to the viewer. And I honestly believe even viewers don't necessarily label it, but I think once that impression is kind of set, then that's the way it gets articulated. So we are here making movies, and we are always in the hope that every movie that we make appeals to the audience, the viewer, because that's who it's being made for. And that's pretty much as innocent as our entire approach is, I think, when we make movies. But if subjects of variety today are being obviously appreciated, enjoyed by the audience, and accessible to a wider, more receptive audience, and that makes it a very exciting time for us in the movies, as in all of us here, be it the producers, the directors, the writers, the actors. I think it's an exciting time in cinema, and that we as the creative people are very grateful for, because it just makes our time more, we get to enjoy a variety as well. Sorry, I'd like to add to that. Sir, हम national ही national हैं, बहुत ही national हैं. It's just that जब भी कई बार मुझे introduce किया जाता है, तो या तो मिस वर्ल्ड को रेफरेंस होती है, या वो इंटरनेशनल ब्यूटी टाइटल का रेफरेंस होता है, या इंटरनेशनल प्रेजेंस का रेफरेंस होता है. तो इसलिए मैंने कहा कि भाई, आई एम वेरी वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर द अपॉर्चुनिटीज डेस्टिनी हैज़ गिवन मी. But honestly and very, very truly, as you all see, I'm not the only fortunate one. And that is why I made that reference there. But when we did this film, we were happy as actors to come on board. And it isn't about all the adages that go with it.
ऐश्वर्या, इस साइड में. हाँ, दोबारा वापसी पर आपके सामने संजय गुप्ता जैसे डायरेक्टर और इधर इरफान जैसे एक्टर. तो किस तरह की स्पेशल तैयारियां करनी पड़ी आपको, या सीधे मैदान में उतर गए?
आप इनसे पूछिए.
नहीं, आप ही बताइए ना.
जहाँ तक काम का सवाल है तो सीधे मैदान पे ही उतर आए. लेकिन जो नॉर्मल जो हमारी प्रेपरेशन होती है, मीटिंग्स होती है, ऑब्वियसली आई मीन ये नहीं कि कल बोले और आज जाग गए और सेट पे गए. तो जो नॉर्मल हमारी प्रोफेशनल जो प्रेपरेशंस होती है वो तो रही ही. लेकिन सच पूछे तो इसलिए हम यही कहते हैं कि आई थिंक कई सालों से हम ये सुने हैं हमारे सीनियर्स को कहते हुए कि once an artist always an artist, and that definitely rings true, and I am witness to it with my own personal experience. क्योंकि कोई समय का गैप हो या ना हो, उसका हम उसे नहीं पहचानते. और जो कला है, एक कलाकार को उसे निभाने में ही जो संतुष्टि मिलती है, जो खुशी मिलती है, वो तो एक बहुत ही गहरी बात है. और उसे लफ्ज़ में उतारना बहुत मुश्किल है, लफ्ज़ों में उतारना. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द सिंपलेस्ट honest way I could say it. We are in an industry and we recognize that, and of course when you hear that a film has made the money invested firstly, and then of course the profits, it's gratifying for the business of the cinema. When the film has appealed to your audience, it's extremely creatively satisfying, and that's what we as a team would always look for and seek. But when the reference is made to butterflies and nervousness, I get very gobsmacked about what kind of an answer to give, because I don't know whether saying, of course I get nervous, will humanize me, or saying that, no, I mean, we have made the baby, and the baby is out there to live its life, It's like, let the birds fly. And it will live its life, it will find its journey, and hopefully the flight is a wonderful one. And that's what the team aspires. But beyond that, it's not about, it's never been about butterflies. So that's consistent from my last film to this.
आप भी कुछ बताएं कैसा रहा?
I have been saying it right from the word go. He asked me another question, I answered something else, because like I said, this was the dream cast for me. And I mean, when I read the script, it was him. And I'm so glad he came on board, because it could have only been him. And it just made working every day so natural. One, it doesn't feel like work. You can see why. Like he said, the blessing Urf curse is wonderful. He just makes it, it's very relaxed. And yet you're there to do focus work as colleagues. We have him helming it. And again, even him, I mean, when you're working even with Sanjay, I mean, here, I kept saying that before, that here, when you say Sanjay Gupta, it's, I'll use that term again, testosterone infused. I mean, there's a Sanjay Gupta movie. And, it was wonderful that he brought and evoked that energy out of us every day in such emotional and even intense moments, which just makes working together effortless. And he definitely brings that. I mean, Irfan really, really brings that out as a colleague. And like I said, you're a bad habit. In the way he says it, as in obviously a good habit. But he's a bad habit. And looking forward to, hopefully, directors willing, writers willing, many more experiences of working together. truly.
Hello, Aishwarya.
Hi, Aishwarya. I have a question for Irfan and Aishwarya each. You obviously are a very private person and you don't give too many interviews. We've seen over the years that, you've kept yourself and you have a few, we have the Khan thing that happens and we have few things. But, a lot of actors make sure that they are in the limelight, even if a movie is not there. They are doing events, seen a lot of things. That doesn't happen. A, are you going to miss not doing that and keeping to yourself? B, also we spoke to Abhishek and he told that you sometimes come on Twitter, but are you still going to keep yourself away from the social media and, all that?
The social media question is to be answered that I'm not on it. I haven't been on it so far. And when I go, sometimes it's on his account, and it'll be about sharing wishes and thanking, obviously, the millions of well-wishers for all their love and good wishes, which honestly I'm very, very grateful for. People have been so generous throughout. Another reason why I've just not felt the gap or the factor that I may not have been making movies. And I'm very, very grateful for the love. And I'll go on all your handles to say precisely that and share that with everybody because I truly mean it. And I have all of you to convey that as well. So at every given opportunity of a media interaction, I pretty much, obviously and genuinely will convey to all your readers, viewers, and our well-wishers for all their love and blessings and good wishes and kudos and critiquing and the good and bad and the ugly, all that goes with the turf. When it comes to making sure that you're seen and being seen, again, I think it's not about, I've never been about any kind of, there's no plan to it. There isn't any strategizing. I think I believe I pretty much am very present because, yeah, I do have a life. I mean, life is in the way and I live it as well. And I've always said that, whether it meant making movies before marriage, during marriage, literally, after marriage, during my pregnancy, also more than half of it, I was definitely present, interacting with you all on various platforms, and after motherhood as well. From the third month, 3.5 months, and I was doing endorsements and appearances on that front. The reason I wasn't making movies is because I'm the kind of person who commits. I definitely respect the integrity of commitment, and I'm a very committed mother, and I'm a very committed professional, and I will not give less of myself to either aspect of my life. So when I felt it was time that I could now venture out to figure out the balance, I didn't know it. I was figuring out, I still am, I'll continue to, because life changes. And in a mother's life, I think every day is a first. Whether it's a 1-year-old, 3-year-old, 5-year-old, you've never been a mother of a 1-year-old, 3-year-old, or a 5-year-old before. So every day, and thereon, every day is a new day, and you keep discovering what's in store in your everyday. But when I felt I was ready to be able to balance the prioritizing, that's when we went ahead. I mean, Gupta and me were kind of talking for more than, what, 6-8 months before that. He sent me the idea and he kept saying, let's meet. But his energy, and you're raring to go. Now, as a professional, like I said, once an artist, always an artist. We'll sit together. We're sitting right here and you're like raring to go completely. But life is in the way, So when we were ready, there we were on the accelerator, kicking on all guns blast, as we'd say in his lingo, and ready to, roll. And I'm glad we did when we did because it all just seems right. It all fell in place.
Hello, Aishwarya.
Aishwarya, on your left here. हमने सुना है कुछ सिंगिंग डेब्यू भी किया है आपने इस फिल्म से. Is it true? कुछ गाना भी गाया है आपने इस फिल्म में.
मैं बताता हूँ अभी तक नहीं, बट इंटेंशन है.
तो ऐश्वर्या, कुछ इरादा हमें इस फिल्म में या इन फ्यूचर हमें कुछ गाने आपके जुबान से सुनने को मिलेंगे? बिकॉज पिछले कुछ एक सालों में
फिलहाल जज्बा के बारे में बात करते हैं, फ्यूचर के प्लान्स फ्यूचर में ही बात कर लेते हैं.
बिकॉज पिछले कुछ एक सालों में कई सारे एक्टर ने गाना भी गाया है, लाइक आलिया भट्ट, प्रियंका चोपड़ा, श्रद्धा कपूर, सलमान खान.
काफी सालों से एक्टर्स हैव sung. It's just probably maybe it's not a new thing. Actors have been singing for, I mean, Pa has been singing forever, so it's not a हाल ही में लोग actors are singing. It's probably getting obviously a lot more. we're trying to probably do what's natural to everybody anyways. And like I said, we all sing. Aap bhi gaate hain, aap bhi gaate hain, aap bhi gaate hain, because we've all loved our cinema music. I think there's a singer in every one of us. It's about choosing to go on and explore. It's just about the choice to be made as and when you choose to do it. So there is no time frame to that as to कि अब ये हो रहा है और पहले नहीं हो रहा था. ऐसी कोई बात नहीं है, पहले भी हो रहा था.
ऐश्वर्या, on your left. ऐश्वर्या, हमारे इंडस्ट्री ऐश्वर्या, हमारी इंडस्ट्री में हमेशा ऐसी बातें हैं कि जो दिखता है वो बिकता है. तो काफी पिछले कुछ एक सालों में
आप सब हंस रहे थे ना पहले ही कि अभी पता है ऐसा कोई सवाल आने वाला है.
पिछले कुछ एक सालों में एज एन एक्टर क्या फील करती हैं कि ऐश्वर्या राय की पॉपुलैरिटी में कुछ एक कमी आई है, या उनकी पॉपुलैरिटी वैसे भी है जैसे पिछले कुछ एक 5 सालों में थी?
मैं ना कोई ट्रैकिंग कंपनी हूँ, ना मैं कोई एनालिसिस
ब्यूरो हूँ. There are other people also to talk to.
I am an actor. I'm an actor and I'm here to do my job. ये सब आप कीजिए. हाँ, एनालिसिस.
Hello, Aishwarya. Hello.
Aishwarya.
Hi. Hi. I am Sukarna from Pink Villa. My question to you is regarding your role. How difficult was it for you to portray a traumatized mother who is about to lose her daughter and then switching off to a convincing lawyer?
It's the job of an actor.
That's what she does for a living.
It's kind of the job of an actor, no? I mean, this is something that we're meant to do. And we're in the able hands of the director every day on set, and with very committed, responsible colleagues. And this is what we do every day. I mean, how difficult or how convincing. Every day at work is challenging. I mean, so I don't think the word is difficult, the word is challenging, and that's what we as artists look forward to. I think if it was just a blind walk in the park, then what do you wake up and go to? What would excite you? So you're looking forward for that challenge that excites you, that, like he was saying about feeling that bell inside, it has to ring close. You know, it has to excite you. It has to evoke something to want for you to be there, and taking time out from your reality. You know, we're not leading our personal lives and coming every day to work. This is not a conventional 9-to-5 job. The job of us as artists is, in fact, very rarely defined by time. We know what time we arrive at shoot. We never know what time we're necessarily going back, because we're about there getting the moment captured. And even if life is in the way, very often we're like, okay, so when do you think we'll wrap? And very often we're about adjusting our life around that. And the only reason we do that is because we love what we do. Why else would we do that on a daily basis? So as long as we are feeling that feeling, we are there making that movie and doing that part. In terms of whether you're playing a mother, you're playing a lawyer, you're playing whatever different roles you have out there, that's what we need to bring to the table. And like he said, that's what we're there doing that job. It's our job to do that. It's our professional commitment to do just that.